Hello, Ghost Traders. My name is Angelique with Ghost Trades, and it's time for your market update. So grab some coffee, maybe something a little bit stronger, and let's get into it, because if you're not paying attention, you might miss the market's version of the holiday roller coaster. And please excuse my voice. Our bipolar weather here in Texas is wreaking havoc on my sinuses. Last week, the market experienced a bit of turbulence as major indices faced some headwinds. The S&P 500 fell this week, marking 4 losses in 5 days and closing the week at 6,051.08. The Dow Jones Industrial Average also dropped hard, ending the week at 43,828.06, continuing its longest losing streak since April. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite fell 19 to 19,926.72 after hitting a record high on Wednesday and a new record high on Friday. Seems the market decided to take a little bit of a holiday break. Unfortunately, it forgot to tell us first. Concerns over higher than expected wholesale inflation and an increase in unemployment benefit claims largely drove these declines. Now, it's almost like the economy is playing some game of who's who with investors. This week, it picked inflation and jobless claims as its mystery characters. The unemployment rate rose to 4.2%, and November's labor market data added 227,000 jobs, only slightly exceeding expectations. In the commodities market, gold maintained its position as a safe haven asset amidst economic uncertainties, trading steadily around the high levels and closing the week at $26.48. Silver also performed well, with prices hovering near 30.5 per ounce due to the strong industrial demand and the investor interest in tangible assets. If you have some silver laying around, now might be a good time to dust it off and see if it'll pay for all that holiday shopping you need to do. Joking. Find a safe place and put it there. Looking ahead to this week, all eyes are on the Federal Reserve's meeting in December 17-18. And while rate cut seems likely given the current economic data, traders will be listening for any hints about future monetary policy directions for 2025. And some analysts are speculating about potential inflationary pressures next year, which could influence the Fed's decisions. And it's kind of like Santa coming down the chimney, and it's, will he bring coal or will he bring gifts? And we've also got a slew of economic data coming our way. The flash PMIs for December will be released on Monday, providing insights into the economic conditions across major economies. U.S. retail sales and industrial production numbers will also be in focus, along with China's industrial production and retail sales data. These figures will help paint a better picture of the global economic health as we head into the new year. On the earnings front, big names like Broadcom and Costco are set to report this week. These reports could offer valuable insights into consumer spending trends and the tech sector's outlook. Just remember, Costco runs out of toilet paper again. We might need to start stockpiling. As we look towards 2025, the global economy is expected to grow steadily despite ongoing trade uncertainties. The U.S. economy is projected to perform well, with GDP growth anticipated around 2.5%, supported by a strong labor market and diminishing recession fears. As we wrap up this market update and head into the holiday season, let's take a moment to reflect on how far we've come this year, both in trading and in life. Remember to take some time for yourself amidst all this hustle and bustle. After all, trading is only one piece of the puzzle. So from all of us here at Ghost Trades to you, may your holiday season be filled with joy, laughter, and perhaps a little extra cheer in your trading account. Wishing you and your loved ones a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year ahead. Stay sharp out there, and may the trades be ever in your favor. And with that, I will see you in the live sessions. And until then, happy trading.